Hi, my name is David, and this is Ianda Cibro Paracord Design. Today's tutorial will be my Wavelength Paracord bracelet. In this tutorial, it's a quick, fast, and easy design, and simple to make. All you need for this is about 8 feet of cord, and it's practically similar to a snake knot, or a cobra knot. So let's begin. First, what you want to do is take either side, whichever side you want to start off with is fine. You want to take your first strand and bring it down through the center, back up through the loop on the right, back down through the center, and then once you do that, you want to tighten it up at the starting point and loop it back through the loop on the right. And that's basically it. And then tighten up the rest of it. You want to make sure you're all tight. And then do the same thing for the other side. I'll continue with this weave all the way to the end. This one has a pretty unique look to it. That's why I think it's a really nice one. Once you get into the weave, it basically just looks really nice. So let's move this along. Like I have said, it's a pretty simple design. It doesn't take very long. And it looks really cool. Leave a comment below. Also, like and subscribe to my channel. And there we go. That is the Wavelength Paracord bracelet. What you need to do now is cut and cinch. Thank you for tuning in, and have a wonderful day.